So the other day I tried out the little Elfos, a beautiful, phenomenal, spectacular Scorpio palette, and in that video I said that I was really keen to create a cooler toned look, because originally I really wanted to use this beautiful duochrome and also this beautiful kind of midnight blue matte with blue and purple shimmers. So today I just thought I'm gonna create the look, because as I said in a previous video, when I love a palette, I just I dream about the looks I could create with it. I know it sounds ridiculous, but I have just been dying to get my makeup junkie hands back on the palette, in the palette, all over the palette, in every orifice of the palette. So I'm going to pop you in fast forward and I'm just going to create the look today so that we can see. I want to create this look because it's appeared in my dreams. I'm going to begin with oh gosh, spoke for choice. Okay, I'm going to begin with this shade, this very light camel-y shade. I'm just going to begin with that in my crease. Oh my gosh, so I am once again not disappointed in this beautiful palette. The only shade that I was actually slightly disappointed in actually, but not really, just a little bit was the matte black with the blue and purple glitters in it. I couldn't really see the purple and blue glitters, which is why I went in with this beautiful foiled topper. I think that this matte shade is beautiful, but it's quite high maintenance, as all matte blacks are. But yeah, I suppose actually I was a bit disappointed because I really wanted to see the blue and purple glitters. However, I'm really glad that I did actually use this epically iconic gorgeous topper, because I just feel like this is one of the most sensational eyeshadows I've ever used. I also really enjoyed this shade here, which is what I put in my inner corner. It's kind of pearly, but then it's got this really kind of vibrant, eye-catching like mint green. And I know that the look is a little bit messy, so I do apologise about that, but I had so much fun. I got to try out more of these beautiful eyeshadows, and I hope that you can see just how special they really are. They're on a whole other planet of special, in my opinion. So once again, wow, just wow, like wow. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go, but thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye. Still can't smile. I mean really guys, what the feck, I mean really. Bye.